Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to install and use Safari extensions in iOS 15. We all probably use some extensions on Safari on the Mac. While this has become more or less possible on the recent iOS versions, iOS 15 takes it to another level. Developers can now create universal extensions that will work on Mac, iPhone and iPad. Interestingly, these WebExtension APIs employ a cross-platform technology and support other browsers like Chrome, Firefox and Edge. To install, go to Settings, Safari, Extensions, and tap More Extensions. Search the extension you want and download it. Now go back to the extensions page and enable or disable your desired extensions. A lot of extensions work in the background, however, some are activated through the Share page. To use these extensions, launch Safari and tap Share. Here, tap the extension that you need. Some of these extensions can really take your Safari experience to another level. What is an extension that you want to try first? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.